Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how to make Banh Chung cake for Vietnamese Tet. Every New Year, most people have to make this type of cake at home to celebrate the New Year Day. We use the green leaves we call yum, leaf yum. And you see the white string, that's from a tiny grass called lạc. And then we got a wooden frame outside. Now we stuck the leaves inside the frame. Okay, the wooden frame, we need that frame to start. And the green leaves we call lá dong. That means the leaf named yum. We start to cover the side of the square. This bánh chưng we make with Northern Vietnamese style, so the shape is square. But in the Southern Vietnamese style, we make cylinder, and with the outside we don't make by these leaves, but we make by banana leaves. Okay, we try to get the side longer, so we stuck one leaf on each side, which make higher. We really need to take care of the corners. Now we put in sticky rice that's soaked in water a few hours. Now the sticky rice still wet, and we need to press it down. This one, smashed green bean. We leave it on top of the sticky rice, and we need to press them down. This is pork. We already cooked them in water and some seasoning. For sure, some salt, pepper, and then smashed green bean covered it. With the pork, we use some fat in there. The more fat the better. So when we eat the fat, the juices from the fat come out, and it's very yummy. At the end, we put on top another layer of sticky rice, and we really need to push them down. a piece of a leaf will cover the top, and then we start to close them. This part we need a bit careful. They have to be tight and closed. Now we need to remove the wooden frame. But we have to keep Banh Chung in the shape. So we need to tie the first knot fast, so to keep the shape. That's it. He finished one. Banh Chung. Okay, sticky rice is soaked in water, and this is smashed green bean. We make a bowl so we can get one bowl just enough for one layer. Pork, you see a lot of fat, right? But they're juicy and yummy. We are trying to make 1,000 Banh Chung for this year, so a lot of people come and help. Aged people, young people, children, they all come and help to make 1,000 Banh Chung. This is layam. So we need to cut them and wash them before we can make Banh Chung. Those Banh Chung are ready to cook. Okay, this is the pot to cook Banh Chung. This is a super big pot, right? It contains 205 Banh Chung in there. And we cook for 12 hours. We put water inside up to the top and then we cook them. That's the whole pot. Now they put the water inside there. You can see the pipe of water there. They try to get the water to the top of the pot. And they need to wait whole night because they need to cook 5 pots like that. This one will finish at night time. And the second pot will be in the middle of the night, and then the last pot will be the next morning. So they really need to wait the whole night. This is the table for the first pot, 105 of them, second, third, and number 4. So they need, and then they need to put the time in and the time to finish. These are already cooked Banh Chung, and we wait for vacuum. We need to dry them up, no more wet, no more liquid inside. So we really need for them to dry up, you know. Over here, we need to press them down so the liquid inside will be released. So they will dry up. This one we already sealed in a vacuum bag, so we can leave it for like 2 weeks. Thank you for watching and see you in another clip. Bye for now.